Hello, and today on my unboxing I have something a little special. This is what's known as a radar kite. It's a box kite. Now, they're known as radar kites because back in the Second World War, I believe, if a pilot got down over water, he'd bail out with his parachute, and then when he's landed in the sea, he would deploy what is known as a radar kite, which would help search and rescue locate him, as it would be picked up on radar. Now, this comes from a place called EmmaKites in China, I believe, and is an absolute bargain for the price. $27.99 for an 8-foot kite. And £10 postage and packaging. That is the only snag. Now, there's spars. And these are something a little special. We'll get to these in a minute. After we've built the 3D radar kite. So, right out of room. Don't worry about that, that'll sort itself out in a minute. Okay. Now, we take these spars and connect them together. Like so. And if we... I'm winging this, by the way, I have no idea how this goes together properly. Okay, maybe not. So if we separate that one for a minute. Right, if we find this little tag here, we should be able to thread the spar through it, hopefully. Right. And if we do the same again with that tag, and then at the end of the kite we'll find a pocket, which the end of the spar will fit in. As you can see, it's a nice snug fit. Right. Let's do the other end. Undo the tag. Next tag, thread that through. Right. Now, if we put this end in its little pocket first, it will make it a lot easier to join the poles together. If I can get it in that slot. Right. I think it goes like this. There were no instructions included with the kite, by the way. That was the other snag. There we go. That's that one secure. Okay, next we take the slightly skinnier spars, sorry Fifi, and we thread them in diagonally. We place that one in the bottom pouch, pocket, whatever you want to call it, first. If we can get it in there. Then you'll find another one at the other end. And do the same again down the other end. Find the other pocket, which will be in the middle somewhere. Right, you're wondering where's the box part of the kite, aren't you? Right, here it goes. It's actually upside down. There we go. This is what makes it a box kite. If we grab hold of the bridle, you would attach your kite line to the end of this, and then you'd launch your kite. Not bad for the price. Now, there's something a little special on this. We have somewhere, where I just put them, some extras. And you're wondering what these are, aren't you? These are what is known as a windsock. Now, a windsock, you'd see it like at an airport or an airfield. You see it hanging on a flagpole blowing away, and it would show the pilots which way the wind's blowing. Of course, they wouldn't be this colour, they'd be orange, I think. Anyway, now this is a special windsock because this one spins, which makes it a wind turbine. Now, somewhere on this kite, you'll find some little loops at the end, and you would attach these clips, if you can undo them, on the end. Right. And they would trail out behind the kite. I don't have enough room here to show you properly, but they would trail behind the kite, spinning, which would help keep the kite stable. Just do the other one to make sure it goes on. These clips are really stiff, which is a good thing, I suppose, because you don't want this spinning off while you're hundreds of feet up in the air. Right, and that's that one off. And that too, you trail behind the kite, spinning. Both of them spinning together, nice and stable kite. Right, the kite, like I said, is 8 foot long, which is about 2.45 meters, somewhere around there, I think. Later on in the video, you will see me laid along the side of the kite, and you will see just how much longer it is than I am. Okay.